Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best twin roll-up mattress on the market, the GORTUPI twin-size Japanese floor futon. If you're searching for a comfortable, portable, and versatile sleeping solution, this mattress might just be what you need. The GORTUPI Japanese floor futon is designed with an upgraded 25D high-density foam core that is OEKO Tech certified, ensuring not only comfort but also safety for you and your family. This high-density foam offers excellent orthopedic support, making it an ideal choice for those who need a mattress that provides both softness and firmness to maintain proper posture and reduce pressure points. Measuring 80 inches long, 39 inches wide, and 3 inches thick, this mattress strikes the perfect balance between portability and comfort. It's lightweight at just 9 pounds, which means you can easily carry it around, roll it up, or fold it for storage in the included machine-washable dust storage bag. The elastic strap helps keep it compact, making it perfect for small apartments, camping trips, guest rooms, or even as a playmat for kids. What sets this Japanese-style futon apart is its excellent workmanship. The mattress is tufted with proper stitching to keep the foam core in place, preventing any shifting or unevenness over time. This not only maintains the mattress's shape but also extends its durability by about 35%, making it a long-lasting investment. The fabric cover is made of high-quality polyester on both the top and bottom layers, which is skin-friendly and breathable. This ensures a comfortable sleeping surface that stays cool and pleasant throughout the night. Plus, because the futon is foldable, it can be easily adapted for multiple uses, whether you need a mattress topper, a tatami mat, a floor sleeping pad for guests, or even a baby-safe play mat with rounded corners. Another practical feature is the multi-functional design. The mattress is sewn into a neat square shape with fine stitches, making it versatile enough for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, and even tents for camping. It is lightweight and portable enough to be taken anywhere, making it a handy addition for sleepovers, family gatherings, or movie nights. A quick note about unpacking. This mattress is compressed and rolled for eco-friendly shipping, so you might notice some wrinkles when you first open it. Just lay it flat for 48 to 72 hours, and it will regain its soft, smooth state. In summary, the GORTUPI twin-size Japanese floor futon is an excellent choice for anyone needing a medium-firm, portable mattress with orthopedic support and a durable design. Whether you're furnishing a minimalist home, need an extra guest bed, or want a versatile mat for various activities, this mattress combines quality craftsmanship with convenient portability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Until next time, sleep well and stay comfortable.